This is a lost foam casting. I'm trying to make a spool which is at the bottom. I've got the riser on the top to feed the aluminium into it. It's polystyrene foam, and I'm going to coat it with a very liquid coating of Cornice cement, and before I bury it in sand and pour the mould. So I'll coat it with cement and show it to you then. Okay, here we are. I've coated this spool, this polystyrene spool, with the Cornice moulding cement, watered down, and it gives it a good coating, and it tends to keep the aluminium inside of that rather than just using the sand. I'm going to be putting that into this bucket that's got sand in it, and I'm going to fill that up with sand and shake it down. Okay, so I've buried the polystyrene pattern into the sand, and I've shaken the sand down. It's a very fine sand and it's dry, so it should get into all parts of the mould. And I've put a tin on top to contain the aluminium, and we'll see how we go. Well, that's poured. I'll let you into a secret. This is take 2. The first one didn't fill the polystyrene, but I'm a bit more hopeful with this one. We'll see how it goes. Well, I think that turned out quite well. This part is where the riser was. What I like about putting the Cornice moulding on the aluminium, or on the mould, before I pour the aluminium, is it keeps the detail very accurate. It really works well. I haven't tried it into straight sand, but I believe that using this Cornice cement really keeps the detail well. So that's it. I think it worked out quite well.